When you're diving into a project, having the right tools is essential for achieving professional results. And auto body is no exception. That's why today we're excited to introduce two exceptional Fairmount tool sets designed to meet your specific project needs. The 7-piece professional body hammer and dolly set and the 4-piece body hammer set. The Fairmount 7-piece body hammer and dolly set is a comprehensive collection tailored for both professionals and the discerning DIY enthusiast. This set includes 3 specialized body hammers, a dinging spoon, and both toe and heel dollies, providing a complete solution for intricate body forming tasks. Each tool features hardened steel striking surfaces for durability, and sealed hickory wood handles for a timeless look that ensures longevity. Packaged in a form-fitting blow-molded carry case, this set ensures your tools are organized and protected. If you're new to metal shaping and need to build up your arsenal of tools, this is the kit for you. Now, if you're looking to expand your current auto body toolkit, then the Fairmount 4-piece body hammer set might be the kit that you want. This set features a door skinner hammer, short reach utility pick hammer, long reach pick hammer, and a cross chisel hammer. Like the 7-piece set, these hammers are crafted with hardened steel striking surfaces and sealed hickory wood handles, ensuring durability and a comfortable grip. This kit will ensure you have the perfect hammer for every task. So whether you're undertaking a complete restoration or focusing on specific bodywork tasks, Fairmount has the perfect kit, with the quality and precision you need. Choose the set that aligns with your project requirements and experience the difference that professional-grade tools can make. Explore these tool sets and all of our other auto body equipment over at Eastwood.com.